What made you decide to put in a paver driveway?
I put in a paver driveway because it wasn't going to crack, and what we removed was inherently dangerous to walk on because of the roots of the trees that were here at the time. I mean, there was sometimes 8-9 inches between the levels where the concrete had cracked, and the front cracked and then the back started cracking, and I didn't even want to drive over it. So I know that pavers, that's not going to happen. So I elected to look at pavers, and the price was not that much higher than concrete that would dissuade me.
How did you hear about American Paving Design?
All friends, right around the corner actually. They had put in American Paving and recommended Tim highly, and then another one across the street from him, and then one down the block. So there was 3 great examples of what his work was like. So I really liked it.
What was your actual experience once they came in and started putting in the driveway?
Well, I was amazed how quickly they removed the old one. And they started this was just before Thanksgiving several years ago. They came in on a Monday morning, and they had the driveway completely removed. And as you can tell, it's a fairly long driveway. It's well over 100 and some odd feet. And they started that Monday morning, and the following Wednesday late afternoon they were done completely. So I was very, very pleased with the speed, but also the quality of the workmanship and how good it looked.
How do you feel about your new driveway?
Well, it's not new anymore, but as you can tell, it's outstanding. I mean, in comparison, now we have 2 houses right here that have followed suit, including one across the street and one, a house down, and they followed my example, and they were very pleased. So, and that actually, there's that big pine tree standing over there, and the paver saved that pine tree. So, I'd say, and I've gotten great reaction with people coming here. They all love the driveway.